Guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can save thousands of dollars on that repair. Stay with us, we'll explain how. Hey guys, welcome back. If you have a Dodge Charger, Chrysler 300, or even guys Dodge Challenger, okay, all these three cars are built on the same platform. They share the same concept, and many of the parts are interchangeable. If you have problems where you have noise, grinding, foam under the transmission, stay with us, we'll explain what it is, how you can fix it. Guys, you can save yourself thousands of dollars on that repair and maybe spend less than $40-50. Quite simple fix, something that most dealerships will not tell you. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So guys, if you have noise, kind of like grinding, vibrations under the transmission shifter in the middle of the car, you will notice that quite often under acceleration or deceleration. You wonder what causes that. Well, right here guys, check it out. This is your drive shaft. It comes, okay, let's get up. It comes in two different pieces. Okay, it has a CV joint right here. But the problem now with that drive shaft is that you have a bearing in the middle. That bearing is supposed to hold the drive shaft right like that to the top of the body of the car, so it doesn't move. Everything is centered. Well, guess what? Here, everything disintegrated. Okay, it's next to the exhaust. That rubber turns into plastic. It breaks, cracks, and comes apart. When that happens, you hear that noise, okay, coming from there, because that drive shaft, every time it turns, it's grinding on the sides. So that's why we have that noise. Now, the bad part about that, when you go to a dealership or mechanic shops, they will sell you a whole drive shaft assembly, because that bearing is not replaceable. You cannot take the drive shaft apart like we do on the BMWs all the time here at the garage. There is a trick about it. You can buy that aftermarket support bearing mount, which is amazing, guys. What you do, we'll have a complete video how to do that, how to replace drive shaft support bearing. Check it out on the channel. But you cut here with the grinder, you take this one out, you clean that one. And then once you clean it, guys, what you do, okay, you see this one comes in two different pieces. One like that, one on the other side. And the other one goes on top. You have the two bolts, you put it together, and you're back on the road, and you saved yourself thousands of dollars on that repair, guys. So, not very complicated, and we'll, guys, okay, have a video, by the way, on the channel, how to remove the drive shaft without even dropping the exhaust. It's quite simple, okay, there is trick about that, and the whole repair will take you a couple hours. You're back on the road and save yourself thousands of dollars in repair. We'll have complete video how to remove drive shaft. We have a complete video how to replace the bearing with the grinder and all that stuff if you need help with that as well. So, Dodge Charger Chrysler 300, guys, if you have this problem, that noise, that's what most likely causing it. And you can simply, okay, jack the vehicle up, always use jack stands, of course, and stuff like that. There is one thermal shield under, over the exhaust with 4 nuts that are with 10mm socket. Remove them and you can inspect the bearing if it's broken. Okay, that's what's causing your noise, guys. We'll have complete video how to remove the drive shaft, replace the bearing. Check it out for any of you needing help with that as well on Dodge Charger or Chrysler 300.